The Wisconsin Local Foods Database helps connect schools and early care and education sites, also known as ECE sites, with local farmers. You may have been familiar with our old platform, which was housed in a Google spreadsheet. We are excited to launch our new platform that is map-based, so you can easily find a farm, school, or ECE site near you. Today, I will walk through how to use the new platform. When you click the About button at the top of your screen, you will find a little more information about the tool, links for signing up your farm, school, or ECE site, as well as contact information for our farm to school and GIS application specialists. There are several ways that you can narrow down the farm list. You may choose to use one or more search features at a time. The first search option is a sales region. This is indicating where a farm is willing to deliver to. Select which criteria you want to search and then select Apply. The second search feature indicates what time of year the products could be available. As you will see, the number of dots on the map will change based on your search. When you click on one of the dots, it will show you the farm's profile, including their location, contact information, and what products they sell. Additional farm filters include available products. To use this feature, click on each product category for an individualized list of items. You can also use the search bar to type in specific products. The next filter is how produce is sold, such as fresh, whole, or cut and frozen. Within the additional criteria section, you will also find languages spoken, and finally, if the farm is interested in providing agricultural education. If you are interested in searching specifically for food hubs, you can toggle between the Food Hubs and All Farms tab at the top of the map. Farmers and producers can use the School and Early Care and Education webpage to help locate schools and ECE sites that are interested in purchasing local food. To use this tool, start by typing in your city or address. Then you can use the mile radius bar to further narrow down your preferred delivery distance. Finally, click on the school or ECE site listed to find information such as contact information, how many meals they serve, as well as what foods they might be interested in purchasing. Finally, please note that on the map you will see circles and triangles. The circles represent schools or school districts, and the triangles represent ECE sites. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions about this tool, please reach out to us at dpif2s@dpi.wi.gov.